is engaging with you. AC, sis Live Manipur. Sis Live and Living Manipur. Thank you for coming to the live. Okay, I'm still engaging with sis Maina. And then you is next. But I'm using my my second account, sis, because I don't want to use. I always use before, but maybe I'm gonna be in trouble later. If like I use my main account in live and then at the same time use with so I'm using my second account. Oo, dai early. Walang ginagawa eh. Mina Vlogs, Butching, hi. O, ano mo yan si Mina Vlogs, dai? Kunti pa lang yung ano niya, dai. She don't have that much kaya mag-English pa kang ako kasi because there's sis Maina and oh, I'm done. I'm done with you, sis Maina. Ano na yet? Let me put more. Did I already? Okay, watching from Nimpa TV. Okay, sis Maina, I just put over there like watching from my second account, okay? Wow, 2.2 cases, oh. Okay, I will pin you, my friend, I. Hi, Maring Kababayan Vlog. This one is mine. Okay, sis. Second one. Okay, let me go to my live. Okay, let me add moderator first for the other one so that I can give one more banana for you. And also, sis Live and Living Manipur, I will give you the 2 bananas today. Where is sis Mina? Yeah, sis Mina is not too many subs. That's why let's support her. Mina Vlogs. My headband, my Santa Claus head. My Santa Claus headband, guys. I don't get ready yet. Getting ready, but not yet. Sis Mina, I just put name TV, okay? And then I will go to your okay. I just go to your shorts. And you, sis, Live and Living Manipur. I give you 2 bananas also. Okay. And subscribe. So you got 2 bananas, Sisi. You got 2 bananas. And sis living Manipur, I give you. I know sis live and living Manipur like banana. Let me see if I. Oh yeah, not yet. Okay, I give you banana, sis. But the proper way, let's do like and comment and subscribe so that the banana will not go away. Okay, sis. +1 for you, sis. Live Manipur. +1 for you. Okay, sis. And hi, make love shout out. Hawak kamay. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm done with Mina vlogs. I go to do you have a new one, sis? Live and Living Manipur. Happy Monday, happy July. Happy first day of July, sis. Hawak kamay. Oh, you got a new one. Okay, I will come back to you on my account, sis Live. But for now, it's my second account. Na-miss ko ang YT. Bakit sis hawak? Nag-ano ka naman nung isang araw ba yon? Nung isang araw? I think you're doing the live or no? Okay, so you subscribe already. Thank you too, sis Manipur. Love you too. Okay, I go to sis Live Manipur. Okay, who did I connect? Oh, okay, I'm doing this one for you, sis Manipur. I go to your shorts. And give you banana. Okay, sis Liv, I giving you banana. And also to sis Maina. Okay, maybe later guys, I give you more bananas. Because you always here on my live. I give you banana, sis Maina, and sis Liv and Living Manipur. I'll ask my friends. I'll ask my friends. Okay, I go to, what did I, okay, I'm done with that one, sis. Did I already add comment or not yet? Okay. And next is hawak kamay. Since hawak kamay, I will just do a little bit because I will come back to you later, sis hawak. Okay? Just the shorts for now. Okay, I engaged 2 short sis on my main account, but I'm not supposedly do that. I think we can do engage but in a computer. If we doing the live in a cell phone, then we can do the same account but in another what you call that? That's not another gadget or something. Okay. Live and living Manipur. Hold on. Let me. Okay, sis. This one for Nimpa TV2.
In auto power
Okay.
settings, turning off display. Auto power settings, turning off display. Don't do this again. Button, do. No signal isn't on.
Okay, sis. Live and to. And then, sis, hawak kamay, i-ano ko yung Nimpa TV2 ko sa iyo ha, i-engage ko yung sa video mo. Kasi kung mga mahaba-haba, doon na lang sa, dito sa second account ko. Kasi baka mapalo tayo nito ni, ni YT. Teka, nasa na ba
Turning
yan?
off display 14 seconds.
Okay, sis, hawak kamay, I going to your video. Because I'm not doing in the laptop, I'm doing on my other phone. Which is, I think is not good. I don't really know because hindi pa naman ako napalo. Okay, sis, hawak, +1 for you also. Tamsak 14, sis, another year added. Wala pa dyan ko kabalo dahil kung panalitan na mag-live ka. I think it's okay if you do live in your, sis, hawak kamay sa'yo ito. I don't know, because I always do that before. When I do live in the cell phone and then I engage the same account in the laptop. But right now, my laptop, I use something else. MLS, oh, Iris, sis Iris. Ito sis sa Nimpa TV2 ko. So, I don't really know what happened. Please connect to the pin, guys. Sis Iris, maano yan si iRadio. I think iRadio is from Europe. Or somewhere in Europe. He is very supportive. So you guys just connect each other there. Just connect guys. Ay nawala, bakit nawala? Ito sis, ginanon ko na lang kasi mayroong ano. Hindi ko lang masyado ipapakita ha kasi baka ano tayo, ano ba yun? Double use, reused. Ayan. Ayan, yun lang. That's enough kasi parang mag-i-stop siya, baka yun na yun. Baka nagalit na si Whitey. Maybe Whitey is mad. Okay guys, I will just show it a little bit, okay? And I will do the highlights and then do silent live. And I will go to your house, Iris, sis Iris, after sis hawak kamay. Okay? And I radio, I always, almost every live of I radio, I'm there. Because I think I radio is always doing the live, so I always support him. So you understand me already, my friend, my brother, I radio. I radio is from Europe, from Europe. And I really want to go to live, guys, all the way, but I'm working. I have a full-time job. That's why. uh, face on. What you call that? Speaker on, face on, microphone on for how many minutes? And silent for the rest. And tambay lang sis. Okay, thank you sis Irish. Nawala yung mga ano. I don't know, it keep turning off. So probably but I'm engaging with my Nympha TV too. Let me turn off my phone and turn it on again. Baka yun na yun, Day. Baka pinaparusahan na ako ni ano, Day. Ni Whitey. Naka-off yung isa. Ito, I turn it off. Nag-off lang siya ng sarili niya. Let me see. I go to my other phone, a better one. Because that one is an old phone. I go here, the green one. I go in my other account. Okay, I was... this one says... how... I already comment on this one, I think. Or wala pa. Wala pa pala. So... and after hawak kamay is Irish or Helio. Tarish like Dawn. Irish. Irish I read you said he's done with subscribing with you sis. So please go to the link. Support the link, guys. He is very supportive. I radio is always very supportive. Okay, and then I will make what you call this. So probably the phone is a problem with this because my other phone is still engaging with my second account with sis hawak kamay. Okay, I will make a video. I will make a highlight video. And then I'm gonna be doing the silent live, guys. And thank you guys for everything, for coming to my live. And engaging with me, because me, I'm engaging. If I have time, I will engage as much as I could.